Well, yes, we have seen a lot of volatility within Indian equity markets of late because of West Asia crisis. So we decided to take stock of the fresh additions and complete exits that have been done by top mutual fund houses across their top funds. First up, let's talk about SBI Mutual Fund, and SBI Equity Hybrid Fund is one of their top funds in terms of AUM. They've made fresh additions into DLF, ITC, Sun Pharma, Lupin and Aurobindo, and they've completely exited out of Power Grid within their equity hybrid fund. Shifting focus to their large cap fund then, Sun Pharma and Interglobe Aviation, fresh additions have been made and they've completely exited out of ONGC and ITC. This is in the month of March. Shifting focus to a couple of other fund houses then, and let's also talk about a few others, something like HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund, and they've added Swiggy, DLF and JNK India in the month of March. This is a fresh addition. And HDFC Flexi Cap Fund, they've added Reliance Industry and Anthem Bio, but they've completely exited out of Sundaram Fasteners, so keep an eye out on that one as well. Nippon India Large Cap Fund, they've added Shriram Finance in the month of March and completely exited out of Tata Motors, so keep an eye out on Tata Motors as well. Nippon India Small Cap Fund, let's take a look at the changes there as well. They exited out of Union Bank in India Mart, but they added we have Sidamic Mechatronics, it's a recently listed candidate, Sona BLW, CAMS and ZF Commercial. These are some of the fresh additions that they've made in the month of March. ICICI Prudential Large Cap Fund has completely exited out of ABB India, but they have made fresh additions into metal player Vedanta. We have Tech Mahindra and Avenue Supermart within the consumption basket, which they have added. ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund, meanwhile, has completely exited out of Samvardhana Motherson, TVS Motor and Supreme Industries, but they have added positions in 4 counters. Kalpataru Projects, HDB Financial, Tech Mahindra and Wipro, these are the 2 counters from the IT pack, a sector which has underperformed of late. Kotak Arbitrage Fund, then, they've added positions in Ashok Leyland, Supreme Industries, Torrent Power, Colgate and Hudco, and they've exited out of some IT counters, something like Tech Mahindra. We also have Muthoot Finance, Polycab, Persistence and Syngene in their top exit list. They've completely exited out of this position. Lastly, let's also talk about Kotak Arbitrage Fund. They've added Zomato, L&T Finance, L&T Infotech and Union Bank in their portfolio, but they've exited out of Dixon Tech, PG Electroplast, Indian Bank and Oil India. These are the fresh, complete exits that they've done in this quarter. So yes, these are some portfolio changes that have been done by top mutual fund houses in the month of March.